Good day and a warm welcome to yet another MecadMinute. My name is Raymond, and within this short video we'll be looking at the ability to link certain properties like custom properties to any node field found within the drawing environment, specifically focusing on your title block. The first thing I'll need to demonstrate is having a look at the actual part files, file properties. We can see I'll be making use of 3 custom properties alongside 2 default SOLIDWORKS properties, namely material and weight. Jumping into the drawing side of this part and having a look at the default title block, we'll notice that the material and weight is already populated due to that reference already existing in the background. To further edit the other or to add the other properties to my title block, you'll need to right click anywhere in the blank and hit the option stating edit sheet format. Once you see the blue lines highlighted, we can now successfully edit our title block. You'll notice that I've already gone and changed a node field. By simply double clicking on it, we can change the text. And to actually link the appropriate fields, you'll notice you can either make use of the blank already available within the default templates, or we can go up, hit the annotation tab, and go and park our own node fields in the appropriate areas. Once you're happy with this, we can go in and click on the option stating link to property. We've got 2 main options or categories to choose from. We can either make use of the current document, meaning the physical drawing document that I'm busy working on now, or we can make use from properties found within the model or part that's going to be used within this drawing. I'll hit the option for the model found here, and having a look at the available properties in the drop down, we can now see all my custom and defaults. I'll choose the designer to be populated under the drawn by. I'll do the same for the customer by simply clicking on the empty field or going and adding my own. Just drop it down there. Hitting the option to link to property and following the same workflow to go and add the customer property, or basically just create that link. I'll finish this off by doing the same for the finish. And we can now either edit the physical text and as you guys can see, this is quite quick and easy to create. The setup might take a bit of time, but from there, it's smooth sailing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, please take care.